Genesis? Can you pick it up, Sophie? Is that funny? Here, let Heidi do it. We'll get it wet. Ready? Okay, go ahead and get it. Is that funny? Ready, Sophie? Okay, gotta get it wet.
Why do you have to get it wet?
Because it sticks better. Okay, go for it, Sophie. Is that funny? Is that funny? You want me to do it again? Want me to do yours, Justice? Ready?
What was wet? Put it.
Oh, honey, it is wet. It's gotta get wet on it. Ready, Sophie? We'll get it wet and put it in the sink. And
We'll get it wet and we'll put it in the sink.
go for it, Sophie.
And we'll.
That is so funny.
You're getting it.
I'm getting it, yes. Are you doing it, Jubilee? Would you like help? Ready? There you go. Don't put it in your mouth. You don't want the bottom in your mouth. You just want to get it wet in the sink. Ready? Don't spit on it, please. Ready? Go for it, Juby, Sophie. Isn't that funny? That's right. Sophie, can you do it? Can you stick it? Uh-huh.
I put it in the